Welcome, everyone. We are very pleased to see so many people from emerging Europe and Israel ecosystem who decided to participate at SummerSaaS 2021. My name is Anton. I'm a partner at Flashpoint, and we'll be hosting this year's SummerSaaS. Last year, with so many tech events, either postponed or canceled, we wanted to create SummerSaaS, a competition that has grown from online pitching competition to a real VC-focused conference. Simultaneously to the pitch sessions, we're having a series of panel discussions on key market topics about investing into private capital markets. Before the official part of our event, we'd like to say thank you to our marketing and investment team for continuous dedicated to making this event happen. Our VC panelists who will be joining us later, and our sponsors Latham Watkins and Velasco, technology partners at AWS and HubSpot, and of course our delighted portfolio companies who dedicate some prizes for the winner of SummerSaaS. It's Chili Piper, the leader in inbound revenue acceleration, with a mission to reinvent the system of action revenue teams in the calendar and inbox. It's Commit, leading recruiting automation platform for high growth companies. Commit provides a recruiting team in the cloud, allowing you to support every aspect of your recruiting process, and also GrowBots, an outbound sales automation platform for sales prospecting and outreach in one place. And without further ado, I would like to introduce Alex, our general partner and co-founder of Flashpoint, to kick off today's event. Alex, please join.
Hi, Anton. Hi, everyone. It's a great pleasure to meet everyone. Let me just share my screen very quickly. Thank you, everyone, for coming here today. My name is Alex Konoplasty. I'm the general partner of Flashpoint. It is my great pleasure to welcome everyone to our second annual SummerSaaS by Flashpoint startup competition. I would like to briefly present our event and tell you a couple of words about Flashpoint and why we're excited to be here with you today. So we are very proud to be covering Eastern Europe, broader Eastern Europe and Israeli region. And this event is dedicated to the startups and teams originating from this great geography. Some of you might not be as closely connected and aware about it, but this geography is covering a lot of people, large population in general, and in particular, we are seeing more and more super talented founders coming out of this geography. It gave birth to over 25,000 startups. Today, we have a very large community of investors working across various stages from early stage to late stage. In total, there are about probably over 500 VCs. And this geography has built over 100 unicorns. If you compare it to the US, which built like 350 or something like that, it's quite remarkable how deeply tech is enrooted into this geography and how many great companies it has produced so far. Today's agenda is going to include two tracks. We are going to have a pitch battlefield. We have 5 topics, 5 verticals that we're covering. And then we're also having panel discussions across a variety of topics. So we hope that you enjoy this event. It's going to last for several hours. And then at the end of our competition, we're going to have a grand finale for the final round of finalists along with the winner announcement. So please bear with us. We hope that you enjoy our event a lot. Also, wanted to say special thanks to our supporters, to everyone who helped us prepare this wonderful event and be able to share with you all the companies and a lot of content that's been created. These people include a number of funds who have joined us, and thanks again to everyone. We have about 40, I think 40, 50 panelists today covering venture funds and not only venture funds, various types of funds who are joining us today. So thank you guys again for coming and supporting our event. We truly hope that it helps us together to build the community and to build the ecosystem across our geography. Thank you so much. To tell you a couple of words about the selection process. So we have been, while preparing this event, we have spoken with over 500 startups in preparation for the pitch competition. There were about over 100 decks submitted that we have studied in a lot of detail. And there are today 24 semi-finalists who we are proud to present to you guys. And the tracks include vertical AI, horizontal SaaS, health tech, ed tech, and deep tech. So we're highly excited and hope you enjoy it as much as we do. I would like to also, using the opportunity, to briefly introduce Flashpoint. We have started about 9 years ago together with my partner Michael, investing our own capital. And today we have over 400 million assets under management, and we maintain our philosophy of having a large skin in the game, continuing to invest our own money. We are covering, as we discussed, broader Eastern European and Israeli geography. We're supporting international companies that are built by founders and teams originating from our target geography. We have done about 40 investments, and into some of the companies that have been performing better, we have done 75 follow-on investments supporting these companies in their further rounds. And we have done about 10 exits to date. We are spread across the geography, so we have 7 locations to stay closer to the teams we're working with, and we are a team of about 25-30 people. We are spread. We're investing in 3 strategies: venture capital, secondary, and venture debt. And each strategy has a dedicated investment team. So today we're 8 partners. Having started with 2 people, we're a team of already 8 partners and many more team members who are, and we pride ourselves that all these people are Eastern Europeans. We speak pretty much every single language in this geography. And we're supported by a large back office platform that includes finance, legal, compliance, portfolio management, marketing, and investor relations support, IT, portfolio management. And we also have a very wide network of venture scouts and partners, and we would also like to welcome everyone who is interested to join our network. We have supported, we're mostly investing into companies from software, marketplace, consumer internet, and IT verticals. We have supported, as I mentioned, about 40 companies. And they range, we're sector agnostic, so these companies range from education, property automation, to video on demand, logistics, health tech. We welcome great founders, and we would like to be supportive of founders who are building exciting companies. Our companies in the last 12 months have raised about $380 million of capital. We were joined, and we're highly excited and proud that we were joined by a lot of, our companies were joined by a lot of investors, international investors, top-tier investors. We think of ourselves as open-minded commercial people who value creativity and freedom. And from this perspective, we would highly welcome more investors into our companies who share the same goals of building great businesses, great companies, and supporting great teams. Thank you so much again. It's our great pleasure to have you, and I hope you really enjoy our event. With this, I think I will pass back to Anton.
Thank you, Alex. Our first session is Vertical AI, and it starts actually in about 2 minutes. So please join another session, and we'll be starting kickoffing the event. Thank you all.